My good friends, my name is Bogdan Curta, and in the today tutorial I will teach you a relatively simple thing but very important: how to format your USB stick with Genos inside the instrument. Why it's so important to format the stick in the instrument? Even if today it's working, you formatted your USB stick with the computer and today it's working, it's possible without any rule, random, without any warning, to don't work anymore. This it will not happen if you format the USB stick using the Yamaha device. In our case, the Yamaha Genos 2, it can be a Genos 1. This tutorial it's applying also for the owners of the first version of Genos, Yamaha S6, and all the keyboards that Yamaha it will think to release with this version of operating system based on Linux. So we press the menu button. We must be on the second page, the first page, and here the second page. You must search and find the utility and press utility. When we entered in utility, we must to select the storage option, which is here. Here we must pay attention because we have the possibility to create a disaster, actually to format our user menu, which we don't want because there we can have some data, styles, registration memory, MIDIs, all the files that Yamaha is operating. So we must be very careful and select USB. It's important to have only one USB in the keyboard, only the USB that we want to format, because otherwise they will appear here each one and we'll not know what and which USB we want to format. So we selected our target USB that we want to format, yes? And after, I think that everybody realized what I will press next. Of course, format, which is here. It's asking if we are sure and we want really to format. I must to warn you that doing this, you will delete forever all the data that it's stored on that USB stick, on that USB key. So you will not have anymore the styles, pictures, MP3 or other things that you store there. For this I recommend you to use a new USB. Okay? So of course, if we want to format it, we press yes. Now in this moment our stick is fully prepared. Especially with the Tyros 2 at the beginning, I didn't trust this information and said, oh, I will format it with the PC. It wasn't good. Trust me, I tried it and this is my results. The technical manual doesn't lie. The other musicians with experience, they tell you the same. So it's better to do the same also yourself. Until at the next video and the next tutorial, I wish you all the best, and don't forget to subscribe or to check in my description for my website, from where you can buy a lot of packages with sounds, styles, especially created by me for Yamaha. All the best until at the next video.